Alright, so here's what's going on here. When I mounted these, the company I bought this from, they said seal these with silicone to the transom. So I used silicone caulk. Well, I didn't use marine grade and it was bothering me, so I decided to do something about it. So what I started doing is I've got these little feeler gauges and I started just poking in around the edge little by little, because there's basically just silicone caulk in the inside of this. And then on the inside, what I did is I took this kind of a Dremel tool, and this part, what I did is I cut this down. So this was just roughly 1/4 inch wide, or a little less even. And then down here, it's actually kind of scary doing all this, but I just couldn't. I want to be able to sleep at night. And then what I did is got this piece of high density polyethylene HDPE, and I put that on there, and then I took this, hold on one second, and I took this and slipped it on like right here, and then I cut around as much as I could. I'm really not excited at all about doing this, by the way, and get it. I could only get maybe 60% of the way around, just because of interference of this and that. So, but little by little, the feeler gauges, I started with like 3/1000ths and kind of worked to where there's a little area like over here that was slightly gapped, but up here it really wasn't, and worked with that. And I've got 4/1000ths and a 5/1000ths. I even used a 1.5/1000ths to kind of try to sort of saw in there a little bit. And so this is the port side, and the starboard I got it out, but I've got a lot of cleanup to do because I want to get rid of all this silicone caulk, and I plan on repainting this anyway. It's stained when I ran the engine. I don't know what, I couldn't clean that off, but I do plan on repainting that anyway, so I'll do some gentle sanding, and I've got to get this caulk off, silicone, and it damaged it a little bit right here, so I'll have to glue that up. So I've got work to do, and then I'm gonna clean up this inside again and reseal it. So basically it's kind of like doing a repair, but I will feel much better once I'm all done. It's just setting me back quite a bit, but because the water line is going to be, it's roughly a 1/2 inch below the bottom of these holes, if I remember right, is where I'm calculating. Well, you know, when you're running the boat and you're slowing down, I mean, water is just going to splash up on here, and I just, using just regular door and window silicone, I realized after how dumb that was, so don't tell anybody. Anyway, so I'm redoing it, and when I seal these up, I've got to figure out, and this will be down the road, because I won't attach these until I'm done varnishing and everything, which I should have done originally. The reason I did it is I was wanting to get stuff back here done, because my fuel tank platform and everything will be packed in here. It'll be hard to get to these, but I decided I'm gonna, as far as attaching all these, or attaching the 2 exhaust tips, but I'm gonna crawl under there anyway and just do it after I varnish outside. So anyway, kind of a blunder, but I'm fixing it. So that's what's going on here lately.